Don't be same, be better. The thing about life is that one day you will be dead. You are amazing. Enjoy your life, believe in yourself, take risks, be yourself, smile, try again. Never give up, don't give up, dream things. Everything is going to be alright. Change your life today. Don't gamble on the future. Act now without delay. It is better to be hated for what you are than to be loved for what you are not. There are two ways to live your life. One is as tough, nothing is a miracle. The other is as tough, everything is miracle. Life is what happens to you while you are busy making other plans. It's the possibility of having a dream come true that makes life interesting. You have enemies. Good. That means you have stood up for something sometime in your life. Sometimes you make choices in life, and sometimes choices make you. Love the life you live. Live the life you love. It is not the years in your life that count, it's the life in your ears. Life shrinks or expands in proportion to one's courage. Every minute you spend with someone gives them a part of your life and takes part of theirs. Choose a job you love and you will never have to work a day in your life. You only live once, but if you do it right, once is enough. To live is the rarest thing in the world. Most people exist, that's all. Life is not about finding yourself, life is about creating yourself. What is the point of being alive if you don't at least try to do something remarkable?